In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix bad request error on Roblox. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're being told there was a problem with your request while trying to access Roblox, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, check and ensure that you have a stable internet connection before you try to log into your account. However, if this does not work and you're using a browser, then you need to troubleshoot your browser by going to this ellipsis. If you are on Google Chrome like me, then go to settings, and from settings look for privacy and security option. Here look for delete browsing data option. Choose the length of period you wish, for instance 24 hours. Check all these options below before you delete your browsing history. Now restart your computer, and you want to ensure that you are not using any VPN or any recently installed security app, as this might be causing this problem. If you have one, uninstall it or turn it off before you try to log in your account. At this point now you should be able to do so. However, if this does not work, then try to change your browser or go to Roblox app and see if you'll be able to log into your account. However, should this still fail, then most likely Roblox might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you will need to wait for some few minutes before you try to log into your account. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.